Good morning, guys. It has been a long time since I have gotten on. Life is crazy right now for everybody, and I've just been kind of taking it easy and just relaxing with the kids as much as possible, and just trying to, take it all in and not just keep myself too busy. I came out of a really busy season, like over the holidays in January, and so not doing anything and just kind of being has been good, even though it's under these, stressful circumstances. But anyways, I made it to Costco this morning. I decided to brave Costco. I had not been since March 1st, which was my last grocery haul video, Costco haul video. And that was when I first realized that a coronavirus panic buying thing was going on. I went shopping and I was like, why in the world is it so busy when I just got here right when they opened? Like, it was insane. And then I was like, oh, it must be that. So I didn't go, coronavirus panic shopping. I did my just regular beginning of the month shopping, and I needed to do a stock up. I didn't go hoard toilet paper, so I needed to go buy toilet paper, and thankfully they had some in stock. We're not completely out. We're just getting close. So I was like, oh dear. So if they didn't have it, it wouldn't have been the end of the world, but they did have it. So I was thankful for that. So I got to pick that up. We're stocked up for another month. So hopefully by then there won't be such insanity around the toilet paper. It was funny because I needed sandwich thins to make the freezer breakfast sandwiches that my family loves. It's a staple in our house. We had a bunch in the freezer because I did a huge batch probably close to 2 months ago, maybe a month and a half ago, and I have 2 more left in the fridge, and so I really needed to make some more. And actually I found some sausage patties and cheese at a restaurant supply store that I started checking out recently. I didn't do a video on that because it was kind of run in and see what there was and run out. That was like right before things started closing down. So because I found those because I didn't want to try to go to Costco because that was back when Costco was even more insane. But I couldn't find any good sandwich thins or bread for the breakfast sandwiches. So I just had the cheese in the fridge and the sausage patties in the freezer, but I really wanted to get some sandwich thins. That's why the main reason is I decided to try Costco this morning, and thankfully they did have a lot. The whole bread aisle was full, so that was really nice. I know a lot of bread has been sold out at a lot of places, and usually I buy 8 packs. I reduced that down to 6, but I was like, guys, I'm not hoarding. I just have 5 kids and a hungry husband. Like, this is normal. I normally buy more than this. But it was kind of funny. I felt bad going through the store with, 6 packs of the sandwich thins. But there were still tons on the shelf, so it's not like I wiped them out or anything. So, of course, I didn't do any filming in the grocery store this time like normal. I just wanted to get in and out as fast as possible. And they're doing the thing where you have to line up at the door, and they just let a certain number of people in at a time. Thankfully, I got there pretty early, and so I didn't have to wait very long. I was like in the second wave that they let through, maybe like 5 or 7 minutes I had to stand there, which was no big deal at all. But when I left, there was a huge line wrapping around the store. So pretty crazy, but I'm thankful that I got in and got out as quickly as possible. And then, so I'm going to go in, get the stuff unloaded. It's garbage day. And I will show you what I got. What do you need?
Num num.
You need Num Num? What's Num Num? Do you want a banana? No banana?
Yeah.
You want those sandwich thins?
Do you want cucumbers?
No?
Do you want peppers? Do you want bananas?
Do you want bananas? No?
Do you want... That's all I have in my life.
So here is our Costco haul. Of course, we got the toilet paper and paper towels, 6 packs of sandwich thins, some almond milk. I scored 50 pounds of rolled oats for $12 at a discount store a while back. And so the kids have been making lots of our air fryer granola, which I will put the link up in the cards. And so they needed some almond milk to go with that. I got some organic tortilla chips, some organic raisins, some tomato sauce and spaghetti for some easy meals there. I have a lot of ground beef in the freezer, so that'll be nice. A pack of the bacon, that's our favorite. We were out of maple syrup, wanted to make some waffles or German pancakes. And then we got, hey Renee, do you want to show what we got over here? What's this?
We got pepper.
Do you like peppers?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what about this?
And
Cucumbers.
3 things of
3 whole cucumbers.
yeah.
I told Renee we need to make some hummus. I didn't buy any, but I have some chickpeas in the garage, in the pantry, so we should make some hummus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we got 3 packs of bananas, and I think that is it. So the total that we spent on all of this, including the toilet paper and paper towels, is $156.20. Oh, I already said it. That was the tortilla chips. What's your favorite thing that I bought?
I have 2 favorite things.
2 favorite things, okay? The chips. Uh-huh.
And the raisins.
Oh, and the raisins. But I thought you loved the cucumbers.
Well, actually, I have 3 favorites.
3 favorite things. Yeah, that sounds about right.
Chips, raisins, cucumbers.
Yum. I'm using up a last bit of pepper jack cheese that I had, and then I'm going to be slicing into this. These are the sausage patties that I got from the restaurant supply store. I have like 2 more bags. They came like in a big box. They're a little different than the ones I usually get at Costco. I think I like the ones from Costco a little bit better, but they'll work for now. And all of my sandwich thins, I'm throwing them together, getting them in the freezer. It'll be good to have all those stocked up again.